Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This short video is made for Cobble Hill Plumbing and Heating and Cooling. In this short video, we will explain how you can get more customers today by using these 3 tips I'm going to be giving you. So the things I'm going to talk about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. And if by the end of the video you like what you hear, shoot me a message and we can chat. Let me get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website, and when I say content, I mean anything that's on here, from pictures, words, clickable icons, all that stuff. Google loves content. The more, the merrier. You want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page by itself. That's going to help it be picked up by Google searches. And second thing I'm going to talk about today will be citations. Now, before I get into that, let me just show you what a quick search in this industry looks like and what customers will see when they do something similar. So the first thing you see will be this top section right here, which is called the Google Guaranteed section. In this section, it's paid advertisements through Google, and any business that wants to advertise here has to go through a verification process, and after that they can advertise right here. It's a great place to be because that's the first thing customers look at, and you get really good leads from there. After that, we move down to this section right here, which is called the traditional Google Ads section. This is quite a hit or miss at this time, depending on how the ad is done and who does it, because it's pay per click. If it's not done properly, it's going to cost you a lot of money. If done properly, it can get you leads as well. Moving down, we go down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack section. And here I'll explain to you really quickly what a citation really is. So citation will be anywhere you can put your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. As you can see, name, address, phone number, they got that stuff right here. And this is a really great spot for any business to be. Customers look at it, and customers call companies right from this spot. So it's highly recommended to be up in this top 3 spots. After that, we go down to this section, which is called the organic section. Over here, you'll find the companies and websites which have beat out their competitors and made it to the first page. First page is where most of the action will be, and that's what you want, more customers. And also on this first page, you'll find some national directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor. You'll find that as well. So the last thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link that comes to your website. Let me just show you something really cool. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this provides really good information on how to assess the performance of any website. They buy their data directly from Google, so as you can see, I've put in your information right here, and what it's showing me is that you only have 4 referring domains, giving you 5 backlinks, not giving you any keywords, and it's not showing any traffic. So let me show you another competitor and what their numbers look like. Here we have another competitor, and as you can see, it's a big difference in the numbers. They've got 700 referring domains with more than 3,000 backlinks, more than 26,000 keywords, and they're pulling at least 26,000 people to the website every single month. Now let me go back to yours. This is not looking so hot, but to boost these numbers and get it to be really high up there, it's really doable, and that's what we specialize in. So let me go back to your website, and basically that's all I had for you today. I hope you found this video to be educational, and shoot me a message, give me a call if you want to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business. I hope you take this video, and I would also like if you could give me some feedback on what you thought about it and how I did. And I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.